let's be honest, guys. We're all on a budget when it comes to this hobby. And today we're going to be talking about tires and what works for us.
All my previous tire setups have been some form of all-terrain. That's why I decided it was time to trial a set of mud terrains and get first-hand experience on the pros and cons to both tire categories. I was able to narrow down my options based on budget. That's when I came across the Atturo Trail Blade MT. A set of Trail Blade MTs in size 285, 75, 16 will put you right around the neighborhood of $700 to $760. Now that does give you a low range E tire with the 10-ply sidewall, each weighing in at about 57.9 pounds. As far as looks go, it's a very aggressive tire. It does have raised edges along the sidewall that aid in off-road performance, especially when aired down to a lower PSI, where you're able to grip slippery surfaces. If you're not going to go off-road and just stay on the pavement, it's also suitable for people that enjoy a more aggressive look to their tire.
So let's talk road noise. So I've had these tires for about a little over 10,000 miles or so, and they definitely like to make their presence known. Let's just be clear and be honest. But I don't mind the sound. After a while you get used to it, I could still hear myself talking to the person next to me and so forth, so it's not a big concern for me. As far as on-road manners go and performance while driving, they do all right. It's a comfortable tire to work with. But it's definitely not an all-terrain in the sense that you feel more stability on road, a little more grip on turning, and you don't feel like they shift as much. But, it's kind of the compromise you make for better performance off-road.
Looking at the overall design of the tread pattern on the tire, you notice quickly that both the center and the outer edge of the tread patterns run in opposite directions, as well as pretty good amount of water siping down the middle, and on the outer edges, every other tread block is notched to just provide that extra grip in situations when you might need it.
I was able to test these tires out in mud, snow, loose dirt, as well as rocky terrain. Although it did exceptionally well in most areas, it didn't evacuate deep mud or snow as efficiently as I would have expected out of a mud terrain. The only other problem I had with them is they were not very easy to balance. At the end of the day, this is a great option for anybody on a tight budget. Are there better tires out there? Absolutely, there'll always be. But for what I paid and my experiences with them, I'd definitely be interested in buying another set.